just waiting to be monetized on YouTube to actually make money off YouTube. You don't need to wait for the ad revenue to kick in order to make money on YouTube. I don't understand why people they think that they need to have these 4,000 watch hours, 1,000 subscribers to actually make money with the ad revenue to become rich on YouTube. You don't need to. You know, if you've been following me on this channel, I'm a big advocate of digital products. So I've told you many, many times you have many opportunities to create your own products and digital products and resell it online, whether it is on YouTube or whether it is in any other social media platform that you fancy, such as Instagram, such as TikTok or Facebook, Snapchat, X, you name it, you can resell your products. There's no excuse. You can also, if you don't want to create your own products, you can be part of an affiliate program where you resell someone else's product or service and you just need to promote, so to drive traffic to your channel or to your website. And whenever somebody, so you just recommend a service or a product, and whenever someone is buying off your link, you're making commission. You don't have any money to put in. You can start with zero and actually make a lot of money. I did affiliate marketing for quite some time and I did make a lot of money with it. So I'm telling you, this is working. You can go ahead. You don't need any money to start, so there's no excuse. And don't tell me you don't like any products that you wouldn't recommend, because I would call you a liar, straight up. So yeah, so you can definitely start with affiliate marketing. That's the easiest way, and that's recommending a product that you like or a service. Super easy. It doesn't require any special skill set apart from creating content that you will put on your social media platform, or yeah, that's it, on your social media platform actually. No editing here. I'm just gonna put that video just as is. So you can do that. You can also, if you have a physical product you're reselling, you have like a Shopify store or some sort of a store, like an Etsy. Etsy is probably like, it's more digital. You have physical products too, anyways. But yeah, if you do have a store, a shop where you sell physical products, such as drop shipping, for example, same thing. If you have a website, you can promote your website on your YouTube channel or on your social media platforms, such as, again, Instagram, TikTok, X, all these ones, just drive traffic. It's only a tool to drive traffic to your offer. It's very simple. So, and the other thing you can do, if you're very creative, you have a lot of ideas and you can share your knowledge about something, you can create your digital product. And that doesn't require a lot of effort, in my opinion. You have a lot of courses that are great, that are teaching you how to create your digital products, how to launch the product, how to promote the product. And I did a few of these courses, so I can recommend a few. You can check the links in my description if you want to have any recommendation of the ones I took and that I recommend, because I know they're very, very thorough and you will learn everything you need to learn to create your digital product. Now, the big advantage of having your own digital product is that you only create it once and you can resell it 1,000 times, 100,000 times. It doesn't matter. So you can resell it indefinitely, and that's how you make that income. Very simple. So it's the same principle as being an affiliate marketer, except that this is your product. That's it. So, and trust me, I mean, you don't even need to create like a giant book. I mean, when you think about digital product, you will think about an ebook. You don't need to create an ebook. You can create a presentation. You can create, I don't know, a schedule for busy moms, or you have so many different types of, or a cookbook, or I don't know, like a protein recipe book, whatever it is. So you have so many different ideas that you can put on paper in a way. I mean, create a product with that idea you have and resell it. So you don't need to wait for the YouTube ad revenue to kick in order to sell. You don't. I started to sell affiliate marketing products via TikTok. The very first time I did that, it was via TikTok. So there wasn't even an ad revenue type of thing with TikTok, right? And it worked just because I was driving traffic to my TikTok account. And from there, people were buying the product I was recommending. So, like, I was literally just talking about that one course that I liked back in the days, and people were just buying that product. And it wasn't even expensive. So it was something relatively cheap. So I would recommend, if you do that, create a product that is not very expensive, or start to like um, promote something that's not very expensive. So it will put your first foot at the door. And once you start making a little bit of income with that, it might not be much, but that will just create in your head that dopamine kick that it does work. You can make money online promoting your product. So simply do that, or join an affiliate program of a product you like, or create your own digital product and start promoting on YouTube. And I swear your channel will grow naturally, and then it's a snowball effect, right? It's getting bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger over time. So, yeah, think about it. Don't wait for the ad revenue to kick in. Just start talking about something you really like, or a product you really like. Talk about it over and over and over. It's all about repetition. The more you repeat it, the same thing over and over, the more people will get it. Trust me, you're not going to be boring. You need to be repeating the same thing over and over. Think about it. If you hear someone saying, "Hey, I really like that restaurant, you should go there." Okay, you probably will forget about that. But if you hear it over and over and over from a lot of different people, or from the same person, "Hey, have you been there?" "Oh, do you remember the restaurant I spoke about? Have you been there? Did you try? Like, what do you think?" You will want to try it, right? You'll be like, "Well, like, I've heard about that so many times. Maybe I should try it." So if you're offering something that someone is thinking of, the more that person is going to see it or hear about it, the more that's going to, raise a question like, is it really good? Maybe I should try. So yeah, so my point is, don't be afraid to talk about the same thing over and over and over and over again, which is not what I'm doing actually. And I should do that. I should talk about the same thing over and over and over again on my channel. But I don't. I'm kind of like broad for now. But yeah, so don't wait for the ad revenue. Um, get out there and try with an affiliate product if you don't want to create your own product. If you do want to create your own product, I do recommend a lot of different courses. I mean, not a lot of different courses. There are two that I really recommend that are pretty good to create your own digital products. And if, yeah, check them out. It's in the links in my description below. And if you have any questions, let me know. I'll be happy to help you out. And I'll see you tomorrow for, not tomorrow. I'll see you on the next video for new ways to make money online. Bye, guys.